This is a SP laserjet p2035 printer, and this printer power is not working. Okay, no power. Let's check this. Here is a 220 voltage present in this point. No response. Here is a no power. Okay, let's fix it. After that, open this connector carefully, and this one, and we are going to open the power supply, and here is the connector also. After opening this, and here is one screw, and here is another one. We are opening power supply. Okay, here is one screw here in this area. It's just basic this from here, and here is one lock. Okay, just open it. And this is our power supply. This is very dirty. Okay, here is so many dust. At first I will clean this power supply, and after that I will do work. Let's open it. Let's talk about this. And this is the power supply, main power supply, and this is the primary side, and this one is the secondary side. Okay, that means this is the input side and this is the output side. Here is one diode, and let's take the short circuit. Here is any short circuit or not? No, here is no short circuit. Let's check this input side, and at first I want to check this output voltage. Here is any voltage or not? Okay, this is the AC input terminal. Check the voltage. AC 226 voltage is present, and this one is the output voltage. Okay, and here should be present 24 volt, and this is the 24 volt power supply. Check it. Yes, here is 24 volt is present. Okay, that means our power supply is okay. Maybe here is another problem. Let's check it, and I need to check the printer motherboard. Okay, and this is the motherboard, and this is the old, but this is okay. Okay, let's connect this here. And I need to connect this jack. Check it, get the power. Yes, our printer is turned on, and you can see here. And while you work in the open circuit, you do not need to connect. You do not need to connect the power switch. Okay, and this is okay. Okay, viewers, we found the motherboard is problem, and this is the main board. And you can see here is a printer motherboard. So it's installed. This one and this one are new. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching. Okay, our printer setup is complete, and we change this motherboard. let's place the power switch. Yes. And here is showing paper error, paper empty, and now it's showing ready. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching, and